Welcome to the Operations Evaluation Web Tool Training Series. In this training video, you will learn how to review the Level 1 evaluations for safety, operations, and ITS. You will also learn how to set Level 2 analyses and how to send the evaluation back to the project manager for review. The RTRL Stage 2 training syllabus includes the following: training and web tool requirements, Level 1 Review and Next Steps Overview, Level 1 Review and Next Steps video walkthrough in a separate video, and your next steps. For this class, you will need the following: your web browser and this video, the RTRL Stage 2 Training Guide. To follow along and access the Operations Evaluation solution, you will need the following: your Windows login credentials, two-factor authentication activation for OnBase through Ping, an account in the OnBase web tool created after you have logged in the first time, and the OnBase website shown here. This training video assumes that you have watched the basic overview and login video. If you have not logged in or watched the video, please do those tasks before you proceed. Before we get started, please note the following. The Stage 2 RTRL review consists of reviewing the Level 1 analyses, Level 1 recommendations, and then determining if Level 2 analyses are required. Every RTR will be asked if a Level 2 analysis is required during their Level 1 review. If they answer yes, the analysis will be marked Required at the top of the evaluation window. The system may set automated Level 2 analyses for some projects, and those analyses can be done in parallel with ongoing Level 1s, but must wait to be entered into the system until after the Level 1 review is complete by the RTRL. If no Level 2 analyses are required, an RTRL will send the evaluation to the project manager for review as complete. Save frequently, and if you find you do not have all the information to complete this workflow, you can always return to complete your tasks. Every Level 1 analysis is sent to the Region Traffic Representative Liaison, or RTRL. The RTRL is typically one or two of the Region Traffic Unit Managers and is responsible for the following tasks: reviewing the Level 1 analyses and recommendations to decide if the safety, traffic operations, and/or ITS results are appropriate. The RTRL will also determine if any Level 2 analyses are necessary. If no further analysis is required, the next two tasks can be skipped. Determining which CDOT staff, regional or headquarters, to assign to each Level 2 analysis. Collaborate with assigned CDOT staff to set deadlines for each Level 2 analysis. Sending the evaluation to the project manager for review if complete, no Level 2s. The RTRL can also ask the project manager to review the recommendations at any time as they have access to their evaluation. There are quite a few scenarios that the RTRL could see when they open a project for a review. Some are from automated processes, and some are from RTRs recommending Level 2 analyses. For smaller projects, the red scenario below may be the most prevalent. Analyses with the optional status may be observed as well. In this scenario, no further analysis is needed. For larger and more complex projects, the three scenarios below could be what an RTRL sees after a Level 1 analysis. After you log in and open the status view, click on the CDOT Operations Evaluation RTR Liaison Group layout. Click on the project you want to open. Once the project loads, be sure to review the project information on the left-hand side of the screen. If the project manager has loaded additional or supplemental information and any notes, be sure to review that as well in the Documents and Notes section on the bottom of the window. For all projects, the RTRL will need to first review the analyses and their settings when they start their Level 1 review. Next, the RTRL can click on the Recommendations tab at the top of the evaluation to see the Level 1 recommendations. The RTRL can read the recommendations to help determine what could require a Level 2 analysis. In this example, there is new technology which would require a Level 2 analysis for ITS. There are also traffic signal optimization and bottleneck reduction recommendations that may require more in-depth traffic analysis. Review the list of recommendations to ensure they are complete and appropriate. The RTRL can change the Level 2 analysis options by clicking the Determine Level 2 Analysis Options icon in the menu on the right side of the screen. The Workflow Evaluation window will open, giving the RTRL options. Level 2s should be set to Required if an RTR recommended it during their Level 1 evaluation and is confirmed by the analysis. Please do not change any Level 2 analysis marked Automatic. In this first example, select Level 2 for any appropriate analysis if not already selected. In this second example, there are no Level 2 analyses required. Keep the settings at NA. When the selections are complete, click on the Submit button. You can now assign staff to Level 2 analyses. If there are no Level 2 requirements, or if there are already staff assigned to the project for one or more Level 2 analyses, you can skip these next steps. Click on the green plus icon above the Assigned Employees table. You can sort by name with last name, comma, first name with the real name field. Search by workflow or region to find staff. If you click on the blue Find button without filters, you will open a list of all users. It is recommended that you use a filter and then click Find to load a shorter list of staff. Check the employees who you want to assign and then click the green plus icon to add them to the evaluation. After you collaborate with your assigned CDOT staff to set deadlines for each required or automatic analysis, you can click on the calendar icons and assign deadlines to each analysis. If there are no required Level 2 analyses, click on the Eval Complete, Send to PM Review icon on the right-hand side of the screen. When you are done with all the tasks, click the Save and Close icon to close the evaluation window. You have completed your review. The software demonstration walkthrough is a separate video located on our Learning Lane site. It is available under the Region Traffic Representative Liaisons group. Your next steps. Once you have logged in for the first time, wait for your notification that your roles are set up. If you are a project manager, view our PM training manuals and videos on Learning Lane. If you are a Region Traffic Representative Liaison or Region Traffic Representative, view our training manuals and videos on Learning Lane. There is more information at our website, the training site, and more information is also available through the Operation Evaluation Web Tool administrators. Please contact an administrator with any questions you may have. Their contact information is listed here.